Merry Christmas over there. Good to see you. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays, everyone.
Happy holidays, Santa.
Good to see everyone.
What's good, Cruttitian fam? Here's a quick recap of our Vlogmas Week 2. First stop, the CTA holiday train.
It's a 16 buff in the dark.
Welcome to the holiday train. My name is El Sugar. Woo! My partner on the other side is El Shimmer. Woo! We appreciate you all coming out and riding with us tonight. We hope you all enjoy your ride. But most of all, we hope you leave this train full of the holiday spirit, okay? Woo! So enjoy your ride, everyone. Happy holidays once again.
Thank you. Same to you.
On board, everyone. Excuse me, sir. Step in.
Where's the headed? That's the
Purple line.
What's good, Cruttitian fam? It's your girl, Nai. And it's just me. Kefren's at work. But I'm about to go and meet him now because we're going on a little date night. Yeah. So we were supposed to go and see Black Panther like 2 weeks or so ago. But I had finals coming up, so we had to postpone. So now that finals over and I'm chilling, I was like, let's go. But let's do the little extra. So we're going to one of those dine-in movie theaters, but Kefren doesn't know. So this party is a surprise for him. So we're gonna go to one of those dine-in ones, recline the seats, enjoy the experience. So let's see. I'm gonna go get him from work now and take him. See you when we get there.
Fresh off of Black Panther.
Yeah, we got cuffed now because when I started the video, you weren't here.
Oh.
When I picked him up from work.
Yeah. Met my co-workers, my supervisors, all that stuff. So that was cool. Had me cheesing, from ear to ear. Introducing them. This is my wife. This is my wife.
All right, buddy.
But yeah, man, it was a good movie, man.
It really
8 out of 10
was.
minimum.
I enjoyed it. I
Yeah.
give it a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed it. And like I told you guys, we went to the dining theater. Kevin was surprised.
Yeah. I will like wait, dine in. Cause like she did talking about how like asking me if I hungry or whatever. And I was like, all right, good, man. We could be good. And she like, oh, so you gonna eat the food that I have here in my bag for you?
I pretended like I had food in my bag.
I like, what food you trying to sneak into a movie theater with what I sure you have is a little bag? Like, I was like, what? And then she got lost as usual, so we reached the movie late. But not late.
Late.
You know how late they have the opening commercial type stuff going on and them type of stuff, you know. So we saw that. Saw the thing said AMC Dining Theater. I was like, huh? Huh?
Yes, we were in there reclining our seats back. It was super nice, definitely.
So yeah, it was definitely a good thing for sure. For sure. All right, my hand out now, man.
All right then. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah. What's good, Crucian fam? It's your boy Kev.
And it's your girl Nye.
And we're back with another video, Vlogmas video. And today we are returning to one of our favorites from last year.
Yeah.
Chris Crindle. We were originally supposed to be doing a little bar crawling, but somebody
had no ID. Like, this face looks like it's on the 18th.
On the 21.
On the 21. I'm sorry.
Yep. This ain't the VI. This ain't the Caribbean.
I mean, come on. But anyways, so we just went to Plan B.
Yep.
And we're heading to the Chris Crindle Market.
Yep. Well, stay tuned. Welcome to Chris Crindle once again. All right, so we on Plan C because we went there and that shit was packed. That day is too much for us. All right, we're a set of introverts and like we ain't get too much patience for them type of stuff. You know what I mean? So we're going to hit up the mall. Welcome to Block 37. All right, nice and warm too, because it was definitely freezing outside. These are the coldest my hands have ever been. All right, so we're in the directory. So yeah, we decided to stop at this one, Gail's Thingamajig.
Apparently it's the best grilled cheese sandwiches ever.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yep.